Welcome back. In this class, we will discuss ones complement method for binary numbers. So, previously we have discussed nines complement method or say base minus 1 complement method for decimal number system. In this class, we will discuss the actual ones complement method for binary number system. So, first we will see for binary number how to write the complement, ones complement, how to write. So, first let us discuss ones complement, then we will discuss the subtraction by ones complement method. Subtraction by ones complement method. So, what is ones complement of the given number? Some binary number I am writing. How to write the ones complement? Ones complement is very simple, just write complement. For 1 0, for 0 1, for 0 1, 1 0 0 1 0 0. It is very simple. Just write the other number complement. Complement of 1 is 0, complement of 0 is 1. That's all. So, one more we will do, then we will go for the subtraction. Say how to write the complement is 0 0 1 0 0 1 0 0. And one more point, sometimes you may have to extend zeros to the left side. Suppose they have given 1 0 1 1 and you have to write the complement with 6 bits. The actual number is only 4 bits, right? But the complement should be 6 bits. Then what you do? You will add 2 zeros to the left. Okay? If the situation demands that you need a complement whose size is more than the given number, then what you have to do? You have to add 2 zeros. Now write the complement 1 1 0 1 0 0. So, this is how we write the complements. So, complement of binary number is very easy. So, this is how we write ones complement. Actual subtraction we do using twos complement, that we will discuss in next class, but now we will discuss ones complement, right? And finally, you have to use twos complement. Coming to one subtraction, we will subtract a number which is already known to you. Okay? So, for that purpose we will take a small number. Say we will take the subtrahend and minuend maybe less than 30, something like that. Okay? Say 1 0 1 1 0. So, what is this one? What is the value of this one? 1 0 1 1 0. Size is 1 2 4 8 16. So, 16 plus 4 21, right? 16 plus 4 plus 2, sorry, 22. Now, we want to subtract this one. So, this is 22 and this is 1 plus 4 5 plus 8 13. Equivalent decimal I am writing here. Okay, 22 minus 13 is 9. So, we have to borrow 1 here, 12 minus 3 9. Okay. Now, we will do the subtraction. 9 means, so by borrow method we are doing this one. Okay. Whether we did right or wrong, to verify that I am writing all these things, right. Now, how to write this complement method? This is very easy. Okay. Minuend you write as it is. Okay. This one you write is as it is, that is 1 0 1 1 0. Now, write the ones complement for this method, this one subtrahend. Okay. What is ones complement? This one 0 0 1 0. One more thing, keep it mind, keep it, this is simple logic, this should be, this size should be less compared to this one, right. Otherwise what happens, negative number will come. Negative numbers also we will discuss that one we will discuss in class, okay. There I will discuss. Now we will see only simple numbers, right. Anyway, I have to discuss same online. At that time I will discuss the negative numbers also, right. Now you have to add. What is the advantage of complement method? You are doing the subtraction just like addition. So instead of doing the subtraction, actually you can do by borrow method also here. So 1 we are taking 1, okay, 0, 1 minus 0. So by borrow method we did this one, right. But borrow method is not user friendly for circuits. That's why what we are doing here, we are taking the help of 1's complement. Now instead of subtracting, we are adding this one. We are adding this one, 0 plus 0, 0, 1 plus 1, sum 0, carry 1, 1 plus 1, sum 0, carry 1, 1, and again this is 1. Okay. Sir, the answer is 1001, but we got 11000. The process is not yet completed. Now we have to do the end round correction. We have to do the end round correction. So you have to add this one. So 0 plus 1, 1, 0, 0, 1. Okay. What is the size of this one? 1, 2, 3, 4. So if you get more than 4, you have to do end round correction. Okay, I think you got this one. We will do one more example, then you will understand how to do 1's complement method. Okay, in next class we will discuss the 2's complement method, which is the actual method used for subtraction, right. Hope this is enough. We will do one more. We will do 2 more examples so that you will understand the topic very well. So one more we will do 1, 1, 1, 0, 1. Now we want to subtract 1, 0, 1, 1. So what is this one? 1 minus 1, 0. Equivalent decimal also I will write. So 0 minus 1 is not possible. You have to take a borrow. When you take a borrow, this will be 2. 2 minus 1 is 1. 0, 1 minus 1, 0, 1. So this is the answer. What is this one? 1 plus 4, 5, 5 plus 8, 13, 13 plus 16, 29. Now this is 1, 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 8, 11. So answer is 18. 16 plus 2, 18. So this is correct. Okay, we have verified with equivalent decimal number also. Now we will do the same subtraction using complements method. Write it as it is, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, and write the 1's complement for this one. 1's complement is 0, 1, 0, 0. We add this one, 1 plus 0, 1, 0 plus 0, 0, 1 plus 1, sum 0, carry 1, 1 plus 1, sum 0, carry 1, 0 plus 0, 0, 1 plus 1, sum 0, carry 1. So you got a end round correction again. Okay, 1 plus 1, sum 0. So what we 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. That is 0, 0. This is 0, this is 1. Okay, 1, 1 plus 1, sum 0, carry 1, 1 plus 1, sum 0, carry 1, 1 plus 1, sum 0, carry 1. So after doing the end round correction, one plus 1, sum 0, carry 1, 1. So we have to get 1 0 0 1 0, but we got 0 0 0 1 0. The problem is here, keep it in mind, the best way is you have to take the equivalent size. In previous problem also I told that the best way is, sometimes you will get the answer, but the best way is take a 0, okay, because the size should be less or equal. If it is equal, okay, otherwise you take a 0 to make it even. Now we write 1's complement. Now the value is 1 0 1 0 0. Now do the sum. 1 plus 0 1, 0 plus 0 0, 1 plus 1, sum 0 carry 1. So again sum 0 carry 1, 1 plus 1, sum 0 carry 1, again you have to add 1, 0 plus 1 1. Okay, now you do the end round correction. Size is 5, we got here 1 2 3 4 5, you add this one here. Now 1 plus 1 is sum carry, 0 plus 1 1 0 0 1, you will get the answer. So that is the best way, but in majority cases without taking the 0 left side you will get the answer. But the best way is, actually discussing this example is, it did favor to us, right? The actual method is you have to make it equal with zeros, just like in previous cases also we are doing the same thing, represent uniformly, right? Same thing you have to do here. The size here is 5, the size here is 4, make it 5 by adding a 0, that is better. Write the 1's complement method and do this one, you get the same. One more example we will see, okay. After that we will go to 2's complement. 2's complement we will discuss in class, 2's complement method we will discuss in next class, right. One more example, say any number 1 1 0 1 1 0, okay. So this is equal to 2 plus 4 6, 6 plus 16 22, 22 plus, I will write here 1 2 4 8 16 32. So 32 plus 16 48 52 54, minus you take any number 0 1 1 1 1. So 1 0 1 1 1. So what is the value? 1 plus 2 3, 3 plus 4 7, 7 plus 16 23. So 31 we have to get, right? Again 0 minus 1 not possible, 1. Again you take a borrow here, okay, 2 minus 1 1, a borrow here because we gave it as a borrow, here it is 0. Again take a borrow, 2 minus 1 1, again 0, you take a borrow from here, okay, write it 1 here, 2 minus 1 1 1, again you take a borrow, borrow means, actually what is the value of this one here? This is 16, okay. So the value of 16 we are transmitting like this, we are having a 1 here, that means 8, remaining 8 we are transmitting here, 8 minus 4 4, so this one 4. That's how we have to do borrow method, okay. Again this one 32 minus 16, okay. So the answer is 16 plus 8 24 28 30 31. So 31 is the answer. We will do this by 1's complement. So first this as it is, write the upper one, minuend and subtrahend you have to call them, minuend you write as it is, subtrahend you do the complement. So 1 1 0 1 1 0, right. Now as I said, the size is 1 less, right. So make it equal by taking a 0, that is better. Now take the complement, 0 is 1, 1 is 0, 0 is 1, 1 1 1 is 0 0 0. So you add this one, 0 plus 0 0, 1 plus 0 1, 1 plus 0 1, 0 plus 1 1, 1 plus 0 1, 1 plus 1, sum 0, carry 1. Now again you do the end round, 0 plus 1 1, 1, some mistake we did, 0 plus 0 0, 1 plus 0 1, sorry, 1 plus 0 1, okay, 0 plus 1 1, 1 plus 0 1 1, okay. End round you do 0 plus 1 1, 1 1 1 1. So 31 is the answer. So like this we can do the subtraction by ones complement method. What is the advantage here? You take the number as it is, you take the complement, you do an addition here, and one more, say you will get a end round correction, you will add this one. You don't get a carry also sometimes, then leave it as it is. Okay. This we will discuss while we are discussing 2's complement method. Actually sometimes you may have to do the subtractions something like this, 54 minus 71, something like that, then you will get a negative number. Okay, if you get a end round correction, this is a positive number, okay, add this one, that is enough. If you get a negative number, the situation varies, right. That example we will discuss when we are doing 2's complement method. Okay, right. Hope you got how to do subtraction in 1's complement method. But you may argue that here instead of doing a direct subtraction, you are doing addition twice. That is it will not going to hurt, okay, because the same circuit you are using 2 times, okay, and the actual addition will be done in nanoseconds. So it won't be it won't hurt us, okay, it won't be say a setback, right. You can do the same using the same circuit, you can do the sum twice or thrice or 4 times, nothing, no problem, right. One more thing, sir, how to get the complement? It is very easy. In coming classes, maybe after 3 or 4 classes, you learn a gate named as NOT gate, which will convert a 0 into 1, a 1 into a 0. So by simply passing through a small circuit, this will become the number will become its complement. So it is very simple. Okay. So for circuitry subtractions, complements method is very easy compared to borrow method. Okay, that's why we are using 1's complement. Okay, before concluding this class, let us discuss 2's complement. That is also easy. We will just discuss how to get the 2's complement. The subtraction method we will see in next class, right? So 2's complement is also very easy. Okay, what is 1's complement? I am writing here a number. Write its 1's complement. That is nothing but 0 0 1 0 0 1. You add a 1 to 1's complement, okay, you will get 2's complement. Simple. 1's complement is just you convert 1 into 0 and 0 into 1, that is 1's complement. You know that already we did also. Now to 1's complement you add a 1, it will become 2's complement. See, 1 plus 1, sum 0, carry 1, 1 plus 0, 1, 0, 1, okay, this is the 2's complement. So one more example we will do, 1 1 0, 1 1 1 0. So its 1's complement is simply 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. You add a 1. So adding 1 is always done at the lowest least significant bit. At LSB you have to add this, you have to remember, don't add the 1 here. Okay. Now 1 plus 1 is sum 0, carry 1, 1 plus 0 1, 0 0 1. So this is the 2's complement of given number. Okay, dear students, I hope you understood how to write 1's complement and 2's complement and how to do the subtraction using 1's complement method. So in next class we will discuss the same thing, same binary subtraction using 2's complement method. Okay. So I am a bit slow because in online classes, so grasping may be a bit difficult, okay, compared to regular classes. That's why I am going slowly, okay. Those who are having any problem, okay, some may feel this, maybe few people who are quick learners, for them this may be something boring. So why are you telling 2 examples, 1 example is enough, like that. But keep it in mind, we have to, okay, keep in mind the slow learners also. So bear with me. So we will go something like this very slowly. Next class we will discuss the 2's complement method. Thank you.